Some of the largest Indian IT services companies may reduce dependence on subcontractors to control costs as the COVID-19 pandemic threatens to slow new deal flow and pressure margins. This will impact lakhs of employees. In today's video, we will talk about this recent development. So watch out the video till the end to gain complete insights. Don't leave in between to go with half-baked information. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Also, our Hindi channel Career Swami Hindi is available where we upload career and education related videos every day. So if you are someone who love Hindi and want to enjoy career and education related videos in Hindi, do subscribe to the Hindi channel. Thank you. TCS, Infosys, Wipro and Mindtree are speculating to reduce subcontracting costs. On an average, subcontracting forms about 10 to 15% of total employee cost. We did a video sometime back in which we talked about largest IT companies with headcounts in India. If you haven't watched it yet, you can watch it out from the top right section or from the channel page. In that video, we explained that TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, Accenture, Wipro, IBM, and Capgemini are the largest employers of IT services in India. These top 7 players employs more than 10 lakh people, which is more than a million people. Now, if we are talking about a scale that 10 to 15% jobs are subcontracted, what that means that around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh jobs are at risk. Due to the coronavirus scenario, organizations' profit have taken a hit and they have started looking at measures to cut costs. In the last few years, subcontracting cost had spiked as IT firms looked beyond in-house talent for new age technical skills. TCS has already said that they will be reducing dependency on contractors to some extent to optimize cost. Lateral hiring will be done for specific skills in a limited manner, and TCS will also continue to build talent within the organization. Subcontracting costs made up around 13% of total employee cost in TCS in the last financial year. At Wipro, subcontractors are around 22% and in Infosys, they are around 12%. In Mindtree, subcontractors are around 11%. Wipro has said that the company is evaluating complete supply chain of employees including hiring, bench and subcontractors. Mindtree has said that the Bangalore based firm will continue reducing subcontracting cost in the coming years. Specialist staffing firm Xfino said IT firms have started to cut subcontracting costs in multiple ways. It's a combination of cost saving measures wherein companies are reducing number of contractors and suppliers they have. Also, organizations are asking suppliers to take rate cuts. The third case is wherein companies are asking their subcontractors to take deferred payments. So, what are your views on this development? Are you working on contract with any of these services companies? Have you ever worked on contract? What was your experience working on contract? Do let us know in the comment section. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited Trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.